Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, just wanted to do a real quick video. If you've ever owned a Tamiya Grasshopper Hornet, um, you've had problems with the battery door coming undone and popping off, and then your door sliding off and your battery falling out. Well, I made a little fix. I haven't tested it yet, but what I did was I found some old servo horns from my RC airplanes, and the thickness on it, yeah, it's pretty good thickness where it just fits down over the door just enough that when you go to open the thing, it lets it move, and then you can pop your door open. I want to get a longer screw because right now I just got the screw that was already in here, but I want to get a little bit longer screw so it's got a little bit of meat on it. But that should take care of that coming out. It should hopefully hold that in place where it's not going to come out, and you don't have to go buy, something that's made, 3D printed or whatnot. This way, you can fix what you already got. If you just got an old servo horn laying around, cut the three corners of it off, and just use the one. And as long as it's long enough that, I wanted to make sure it was good and long, that it went clear over the snap up part. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out, and hopefully it works. Like I said, I'm just tired of going out and having fun with this thing and then having the battery door come loose and battery falling out. So it's sad because this is a re-release, and Tamiya never took care of it with the re-release. Because this is a problem I had back in 1984 when I was a kid running the original Grasshoppers. But like I said, hopefully this is a very easy, very cheap fix, and it'll help you to enjoy your Grasshopper, your Hornet. Hopefully it'll work. So I'll probably do a follow-up video or something later on, but just wanted to get this out to you guys and see what your thoughts were and everything like that. So I hope you're all doing good. You guys take care and have a good night.